Welcome to a video by Abron. This is bitumen extractor apparatus, it has an on-off switch. Here we have the on-off main switch, and the indicator tells you the main power is coming, and this is telling you the speed is going on. This one is a dial which is for increasing the speed or decreasing the speed. So first of all, there are two sections. When this comes to you, this is to be opened. All these are to be opened. Then this one is already, we have done it so that you can take it out. Then this is a part which is separated from the top. The sample is to be put in this. We put the sample here and keep it washed with the benzene or this petrol. And then after washing it thoroughly, we throw out the sample, little bit of, we weigh the sample, this body, we weigh, there is a cut here. It has to be put inside the cut. See this, the cut is there. So this should fit so that this rotates. Now it is rotating. You can see, now you can see this is rotating. Almost this will be fitted to this section. After this, we close this section. We have a filter paper. We supply this filter paper also. These are filter papers. One filter paper is to be put it here, and then this is to be closed with the screw here. Close the screw, and then we close the section. This section, this will be closed, and after thoroughly adjusting this so that it fits well, so that, and then this is to be closed with these two screws. These are to be closed again, so it should fit properly, so that, and then there is a notch, and then these are to be closed. Here we close it, and then we rotate the start. There are different videos available on the internet with the detail. So then it is to be opened back, and then taken out the sample, weigh the sample, again taking this, open this, weigh the sample, and do the how much, these are the things, how much calculation is there. If it is more than 6%, 10%, there are different values available in your books. Do the experiment, visit the website, share the videos, like the videos. This is our WhatsApp number 9416020018. 99922222049. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Visit the website. We have all the soil testing, concrete, cement testing instrument. Thank you very much.